Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to revert back an autosave in Hollow Knight Silksong. Let's begin! Now, the ability to revert back to a previous autosave isn't as advanced as in the previous games. This is mostly due to the fact with the branch mechanic. I really haven't seen the bench yet, but basically a bench is rest and game. If you want to go back to a previous autoload, we can go back to our main menu. Let's hit save and quit. And now inside our main menu, we want to go into start game. As you can see, I have saves here, it doesn't matter which one. I will try to go into here, and at the bottom we'll see two buttons, arrow button and the trash bin button. I think it's pretty obvious what trash bin icon does. It's user profile, meaning remove save. But we can click this button to go back to a different autosave. As you can see, there are plenty of ways for you to save it. I have no idea how big the cap is and how far back in the past you can actually go, but if you will ever feel stuck, or if you want to unstuck yourself and go back to previous checkpoints, you can have it right here. So as you can see, if I would progress further and actually well, as you can see, I really lost my progress here, so I didn't really save where I was last time, which is very bad, though my currency did save. So once we would go into another bench, we'd be able to revert back to previous autosave. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.